This was the small, sweet-smelling flower at the end of an outback quest.
What we're looking at here are the pressed specimens of what is possibly the world's newest water lily species.
While a sample of the water lily had been collected in the remote Kimberley once before, there wasn't enough evidence for it to be formally recognised. So Professor Dixon and his team set off on a 10-day mission in four-wheel drives and a helicopter to rediscover it.
Lots of flat tyres, broken wheels, engine problems. The rivers come up and down, and we've had some fairly hair-raising opportunities on this trip, and it's very much what I'd call Indiana Jones botany.
The search even lured an expert from London's Kew Gardens to the venture.
Upon seeing the first Australian water lily, I just went like, wow, and then got totally hooked into the subject.
The new lily was found growing in 2 billabongs in the central Kimberley. And after the excitement of the chase comes the cataloguing, a 6-month identification process with seeds to be preserved in Broome, Perth and London.
We've collected these seeds from the wild and I'm just processing them. And then we end up with nice clean seed which then gets taken back to Perth and processed as part of our seed banking program.
As well as storing samples of the seed matter, there are also plans to try to propagate this new species of water lily in tanks like these here in Broome. The research team says it highlights how little is known about the biodiversity of the Kimberley and how many discoveries are still to come.
My feeling at this point about this whole expedition is just exhilaration. You can't help but get a sense of uplift that we discover fabulous new species in these exotic landscapes.
The only thing to be decided now is who will get to name the new species. Erin Park, ABC News, Broome.